Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody. Let's continue discussion of the situation on the euro currency. Today is Friday, and on the daily time frame you see that's not big changes with this picture on the daily time frame. So we see that MACD indicator holds bullish trend. Market, as we suggested, retested this level from the upward move to the downside, retest this area of that was previously the resistance, the 618 resistance. This major swing from this major level from this swing to the downside, retested, and now continue move to the upside. Now we can see that market stands above the weekly pivot resistance 1. That is in general bullish sign. The minimum target, the nearest target of this potential move is right here. 618 extension of that pattern. A, B, C, bottom. 618 is around 135.40 area roughly. It's right here. Now we suggest that market should reach it. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that market has shown the thrusting move right from the confluence support that we discussed yesterday's 132.80, 132.90 area, and as you will see later, market has reached precisely almost 50 pips the level that we have specified yesterday, and as we said, that was very suitable to enter, trying to enter on the long side of the market, mostly because of the risk reward ratio, and mostly because that our crucial level, our beacon level point of no return was intact. As you can see, market even hasn't quite reached it. So that level was the significant confluence support on daily time, on 4-hour time frame and weekly pivot point. As you can see, market hasn't quite reached it and now showing thrusting move to the upside. Also take a look that 4-hour time frame is ready to turn on the bullish side. So current candle stands on the bullish side, but this trend hasn't been confirmed yet by the close price. So that candle hasn't been closed yet. So that is the market is divergent to shift trend on the bullish side. Let's take situation on the hourly time frame. That is most interesting for us. That is an hour extension to the downside. That's retracement move. At that point yesterday we said that that price action is not the thrust. Take a look at this swing and that swing. That is the thrust, but here is more looks like the retracement. And we said that if you have entered long here, as we have specified 2 days ago, then probably it makes sense to move your stops to the break even or take some profit to protect the position. Later, as you can see, if you are attention enough, you can see that this market has formed a butterfly sell pattern on the 15-minute chart that suggested that it could show some deeper move. And in general, this thrusting move to the downside, we also said that market could proceed lower and usually to the 1618 extension target. So that has happened yesterday. Market has proceeded lower and has reached this target almost pips to pips. You can see in this yellow circle in agreement with the 132.65 area that we also have specified. So if you have entered on the long side of the market here, as we suggested and as we did, then probably you feel comfortable. You can move your stop to the break even and watch for the possibility to add more to your position. But if you still hasn't quite entered the long side of the market yesterday, the another possibility, as we said, exists when the market will show the thrusting move from that level and will confirm its ability and intention to show really thrusting move to the upside. That's confirm its bullish environment. So that you can see now is happening. You can see this nice thrusting move to the upside. You could use the nearest FIB support level to enter on the long side of the market. The nearest FIB support will be from that swing. From that low to that high, you could try to enter on the 3/8 support from that level. Okay. If you would like to take the party in this potential continuation to the upside. if you would take a look again on the 4-hour time frame, we will see that mostly we also trade on this head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders pattern. The target of this pattern is usually 1618 extension. I do not have it on this chart because it's just a bit outside of this picture, but the target of this 1618 extension of that head and shoulders pattern stands slightly higher than the 618 target on the weekly time frame. It's around 135.80. 40 pips difference between the target of this head and shoulders and the target of this 618 extension of that ABCD pattern. So that is when we suggest that market is going now. That's why you could try to use this retracement from that swing to enter on the long side of the market. Those of you who already have long positions, probably I suggest you that you could move your stop to the break even and just watch the movie, watch how market will develops, and search for possibility to increase your positions.